Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here. Welcome back to another midnight video, and today we're going to look at the claim process. I have one wallet that is ready to be redeemed. I have a redemption date today, so I'm going to walk you through that process fully. I'll be able to get into the site, do the claim, and get the night tokens into my wallet. If you're new, do subscribe, give the video a like, comment any questions, or even one just for the algorithm, night claim, something like that. It does help the video get out there. I'm going to try and make this one quick because running on only a few hours sleep with a kid up getting sick all night. So let's jump into it. Okay, so if you're not familiar with, this is the site that we built just as part of the different tools that we done in around the Scavenger mine, myself and Paddy. So this was just to check your addresses, so you can check when your thaw date is going to be. You can do it for multiple addresses as well, and then you just get a nice graphical interface here. I will leave the link to it in the description for anyone who wants to check it out. Now you can use the official links, and for claim we do need to use the official links anyway, so I'll go over to that now. But this is just to show you that I have a whole 1.41 night tokens available to be redeemed right now. And actually, when we go through this process, for people interested, we'll take a look at how night has been performing in the first 24 hours. So going to the official link, which is redeem.midnight.gd. Link will be in the description. Click on redeem. So I am going to use my Eternal wallet for this one. You can go in and put in an address manually, but if you are already using any of the wallets, it's going to be easier for signing the transaction. And one person had asked in our live stream yesterday about claiming with a hardware wallet. So at the minute, it looks like hardware or Ledger Live isn't supported directly here. So one way to get around that, I don't know if they're going to implement it yet. Hopefully they do. But if you want to get around that, you can just link your Ledger or any other wallet, hardware wallet, into one of the Cardano wallet providers like Lace, Eternal, Yoroi, or Vesper, and then all you have to do is do the claim through here. So that just means that these are effectively the applications that allow you to use your ledger then to do the claim. But for me, it's a normal wallet, Eternal. Click on confirm. So looking for night allocations, it comes up here that I have 1.405741 night available to be claimed today. Now the fees are going to be more than the actual value, but I want to be able to show people the process. Total left to redeem 5.622. So if I go to redeem, let's see what options it gives me to redeem. Connect a wallet with enough ADA to cover the fee. So this is what was mentioned in the announcements, that the wallet that you signed the transaction with here to pay the fees doesn't have to be the wallet that you're claiming for. So this means that if you are claiming for a wallet that doesn't have ADA, then you can do the claim here and the night tokens will be sent to that other wallet. So that's perfectly fine if you just plan to keep the night token and hold them for however long. But if you want to actually move them from that wallet, then you will need to fund it with ADA. But if we look here, the amount to redeem, destination, transaction fee. So I'm going to use this wallet here, Eternal, to sign this transaction. So click on redeem, gives me a transaction to interact with. You can see I am going to send 2.08 ADA and I'm going to get back 1.4 night tokens, which is the ones I am claiming. So if I just sign here, so redemption pending, 1.4057 night. And actually, if I bring up my wallet on another screen, okay, so it says redemption unsuccessful, but I think it could be successful. Yes, it says redeemable now, 0 night. So redeemed so far, and now it's gone to 89 days. So I think it has gone through. It's just that the UI hasn't updated properly here. And if I actually look in my wallet, if I bring that back over here, you can see it has actually gone through. So you can see I have got my 1.4 night tokens into my wallet. So that is the transaction complete. So that means now I wait until my next redemption date, which is in 89 days. But for now, I have them night in my wallet. I could do whatever I want with them, as it's such a small amount. It's not really going to be worth doing anything now, but you can go, you could trade them. It's on a lot of centralized exchanges now. It's also the DEX liquidity across Cardano DEXs is growing. So we look over here actually on Fetch, which is the DEX aggregator that I am a part of. You can see here there are a lot of different liquidity pools popping up on Cardano DEXs. Some okay ones now on MinSwap, on SundaeSwap, and on Wing Riders. They are for ADA Night, and then also you have Night USD, USTM on MinSwap, SundaeSwap, and Wing Riders. So if you are trading, I would say use an aggregator. Fetch, obviously I'm slightly biased. I like Fetch because I helped put it together and build it. But use an aggregator because then it's just going to look at all the different liquidity pools that are out there. We look at how it's actually performing today. If I look over here, you can see as one of the trending on CoinGecko is Midnight, 6 cent right now, went up to I think about 7 cent this morning, and then it's pulled back down a small bit. So we'll keep watching it, see how it goes over the next, look, people can start to claim today, but it could be up to 90 days before people actually get their initial tokens, which does help with the price. If everybody was getting all of their tokens today, that will be a huge amount of sell pressure on the market. So let's wait and see how it goes. Kraken was another one. Kraken drops. So anybody who was waiting for the information on Kraken, they did put out a support article on it here. So the airdrop date, they said, was Tuesday the 9th, and then on June 10th at, so that is tonight, at basically midnight, then the different tokens are going to unlock and you can get them into your wallet. So if you were entitled to 1,000 night tokens for funds you held on Kraken, them tokens are automatically going to be put into your account. So I will put a link to this, and just like the normal claim, it's going to be in 4 phases. So you get the first amount of tokens in tonight or tomorrow, depending on what part of the world you're in. And then every 90 days after that, you should get another allocation of night tokens over on Kraken. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully it has been useful. Any questions, let me know in the comment section below here, and I will maybe do another live stream towards the end of the week, or at least a video summary talking about some of them common questions and issues or problems, anything people might be having with Night or Cardano in general. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk soon.